When we're talking to customers today, the conversation is often around not if I've been breached, but when I will be breached, and properly preparing for that. And the time to prepare is ahead of time. The last thing you want to do is be dealing with a breach and not have a plan in place and not have prepared for it. And what does that mean to prepare? Most organizations talk about having an incident response plan. An incident response plan is a critical piece of dealing with a breach. And the one thing to remember is that we see a lot of organizations that build out an incident response plan, and it's really more of a compliance checkbox. The challenge that occurs with that is when a breach occurs and they haven't really tested it, now they can't execute properly and really things fall to pieces. But beyond that, for preparation, part of it is also preparing the environment. So are you doing just the normal blocking and tackling? And what I mean by that is, are you doing patching the environment, vulnerability scanning the environment? Do you have real visibility to the environment? That is some of the biggest challenges we have with our customers today. And now you've moved to a cloud or hybrid cloud environment where you have workloads in the cloud, systems on-prem. You have these attacks that occur, and as these things move around your environment, your complex environment, if you don't have the proper visibility, you can't respond properly. So Accudata has worked with many organizations in the past to build their programs from the beginning. And one example is we worked with an organization that had to meet HIPAA compliance requirements on behalf of their customers. In the beginning, that organization had no capabilities around HIPAA compliance or really no security program. Accudata built out a roadmap for the organization. That roadmap outlined the people involved, the processes, as well as the technology. What's exciting about this is you're working with the organization over time to really integrate it into the organization and mature the security program along the way. And when you look at this over a longer period of time, and you can come back and look at where you began and where they finished, and really their ability to maintain it going forward, that's what's really exciting.